intense bloopers right ahead. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? For today's video, I have some new stuff right over here. Now, if you have seen my Instagram stories, if you have seen my previous vlog, you might have seen that I got some new stuff recently from the market in Mohali, and as well as I got some new stuff from Barkha, which is right in this box. So everything is right in this box, everything. This is not my first time shopping with Barkha, and my first experience with Barkha was so good that I just couldn't contain myself shopping just once with her. And so I got a lot of stuff from her. So only two things out of this entire box is what I got from Mohali's market. Other than that, everything is from Barkha. Now she gave a letter, and oh sorry, this is not the letter, this is actually the list of price. So this is the letter she gave me, and let me read it out. So she says, "To my dearest Himanshi, thank you so much for shopping with Blushwork. Sending you your products along with a small gift. Hope you like it. Keep shopping, Barkha Arora." Now, if you haven't seen the previous video, I'll link it above. Please do watch that. And everything about Barkha, her YouTube channel, her entire Instagram store details, whatever you want, everything will be in the description box to check that out. That's extremely important too, because I think she does some really bomb tutorials. You know, she recently did this one Countess Dracula / vampire kind of makeup tutorial, and she looked gorgeous as ever. I was just crushing over her entire look. I just loved it. This time, out of all the products that I got from Barkha, 3 are the eyeshadow palettes, which is not a very big deal for me because eyeshadows is something I really go for time and again. Now, before jumping in, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like me or you like my videos, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Also, follow me on social media. All the details and links are given in the channel art. Press them, you will get redirected, and just follow me everywhere. So you have already seen this particular sponge in my vlog video, and this is how the sponge looks when it's totally dry. I have not used it even for once, and this is literally like straight out from its box, and I'm just going to wet it now, and let's see how the size increases and how this is actually going to perform. Now if I talk about it like this, it's very soft, to be honest, and I think it's going to work good. So let's see that. So this is how the sponge got, and you know, it's very soft. I mean, it's very soft. My previous sponges were never so soft the way this is, and it feels really good. I would never spoil this with foundation because this looks so pretty. This is so beautiful. This color is like my favorite shades of blue. This is exactly what my favorite shade of blue would look like. Today we are going to put foundation using this particular sponge. Going directly with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 128 Warm Nude. I'm just going to take it at the back of my hand. Sorry sweetheart, I have to spoil you. To be honest, it did soak in a lot of product. I mean, my other sponges from Vega and Babila, they never soaked in so much product. This sponge is actually soaking a lot of product, which is actually not a good thing for a sponge to do. But what else do I expect from such cheap sponge? I think this one costed something like 120. I'm not sure exactly. I have to take a huge amount of foundation today because this is soaking in quite some product. I think as compared to the price point, this is not bad at all because it is blending in foundation really well. I mean, I don't have any problem as far as the way this is blending in stuff. It's pretty good. I mean, I'm liking the way the foundation just got onto my face. Yes, it did soak in a lot of foundation at first, but do I mind it? No, I mean, not at all. This is pretty good. So I'll quickly do my concealer, contouring, every other thing, and then we'll quickly come in with another product. Let's start with the eyeshadow palettes, the main thing, the showstopper. So I have three palettes over here. So this one is the Huda Beauty Gems Electric Obsessions palette, and this is how it looks. Okay, so this is how it is. See, and this is for rupees 299, and we'll move into this palette in another video because of course I cannot make all the three palettes work in one same video. I would rather have like different video for each palette. Then we have another Huda Beauty palette, and this is a glitter palette, and this was for rupees 250, and it has 12 glitter shades. This is all glitter. See, I have not even used it. I still have all the plastic over it. So this is all glitter, and this is what I try to put my finger on because I wanted to see how this glitter is, if it's like a sticky glitter or if it's like the loose chunky glitter. And this is the sticky glitter one. It has a lot of glue beneath it, and this is a really nice palette. I would say nice glitters, and I think glitter again should have like a moment of its own. So I think I'll move into this palette later. Now the last palette that I have over here is this. This is Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. Now this particular palette, I wanted to have this palette for a really long time. And this is how it looks. Can you see the packaging? This is Huda Katan, her original picture for the palette, but this is not an original palette, this is a dupe. This palette originally costs over like 4500 to 5000 rupees. So this particular is a dupe for literally like 1/10 of the price, only rupees 550, and this is how it has this covering, and then this is the particular palette. So can you see it has a lot of shimmers, a lot of mattes. Can you see how this palette is? This is a beautiful palette. Let us start with this particular shade, right? This is Amber. Choose the name, Amber. And yep, let's start with the transitioning. And of course, I mean, is it even my video if I don't stop in between and tell you that I have not put the tape? Let me just do that. Taking a fluffier brush to just blend that all. The only concern right now that I am having with this particular palette is that I can see the matte shades are very few, right? And they are almost of the same tone. I mean, the way we have this particular colors, sort of pinks and lavenders. For these particular shades, I really can't see like some variety of matte shades, which I'm not sure how it is really with the original palette. But for this particular palette, all I can see is the matte shades that I can really have for transitions or for the crease are more like orange and more like pinkier reds. So this is the only concern right now that I am having with this palette. So I'm taking the saffron on the crease brush and we'll build it on our crease. I'll move with this particular color, and this is called OUD, this particular, and same into the crease, just exactly where I did this previous color. This is better than that, so yeah, let's move into this. Right now I'm just placing this color, we'll blend it later. I want the corners to have this particular color. I'll take amber and I'll just blend everything in place. My Essence concealer is, rather than just cutting the lid from here, we are just going to cut it in the center, this area. I'm just going to blend this concealer into the colors, right? Back into the palette, I'm going to take this one, Amethyst, and I'm just going to put it over the concealer because I think it's a pretty color. I just feel like it's calling my name today. Whoa, it's really pretty. Wow. So I'm just going to take my transition brush. I'm taking this OUB and on the crease, where the concealer was, I'm just going to take it and put it over there. This will darken up our crease as well as going to blend this sparkly purple into the entire color. Let's highlight, right? And for the inner corner, I'm going with Twilight shade because this is the lighter version of this purple and it will look super cool. So for eyeliner, we have a new eyeliner over here. This is, oh, sorry. This is Yanqina or Yanqina, whatever it is. Yanqina's 36H Precision Liquid Eyeliner. Right, so I have been seeing this eyeliner for a while over internet, Instagram, stores, wherever, and I wanted to have like a good felt tip pen because I think they are pretty handy to use. But I'm really not comfortable with these type of pens to make winged liners because I don't know, I feel a little scared. So I think we should try this. Now as far as this liner is concerned, I would say this is pretty intense color. Let me do my wing liner, which is actually going to take me 36 hours. But when you are not going for wings, I think felt tip liners get really handy when you just have to have like a good precise liner. And sometimes the liquid liners don't really get into over the shadows, which exactly what I would like to say is the intensity of this liner is perfect. I'm loving this so far. Back to my palette, going with OUD, sorry, OUD, and smoking the lower lash line. First of all, stamping it over there. Taking saffron also along with it. Now on a very tapered brush, I'm going to take amber and I'm just going to smoke the entire thing. So now coming to this particular palette, I think the colors with this palette are pretty good. I mean, these particular shades are really, really, really nice, and I think I particularly love them. My only issues is with the matte colors. I think I would need other matte colors to really match out with these shimmer shades, which I would say is a little disappointing for me, because I never really do like just in one palette kind of thing, so it is fine by me. I can pull this off really well. um as far as pigmentation is concerned, I think this palette is pretty good. And the thing is, am I happy with what I bought? I extremely am. I am not disappointed in any way, any mean. So I think this is a good palette. As far as I'm not disappointed, I think my shopping has been good and successful. For lip products, I have these two things over here. This is the one that I bought from Mohali. So this is a red color. Let me show you how this color really is. And it's a bright red color. See, this is how it is. And you have actually seen me wearing this particular color in many videos, so I'm not going to wear this. I'm going to keep this from some other video when I'm going to have a red lip moment. So this is another lip. This is actually a Huda Beauty lip contour in shade icon, whatever you want to call it. And this was actually my pre-gift. And this is a pretty pink shade, and I think it's going to go good with my lips, so I'm going to put this today. And yeah. It's buttery smooth. I mean, it glides so good. So this is more like a Barbie pink, and to be honest, I don't mind. I mean, once in a while when you wear these bright shades, it looks good. I mean, it matches perfectly with my eye look, and I like this particular color. It looks good on me. So I think I'm going to buy a few of these because I absolutely loved it. So guys, this is the final look, and my hair is a little messed up because I had like a almost 4-hour bus ride with my hair almost open. So yeah, my hair is supposed to be messy today. This is the final look, and to be honest, I think it looks pretty good. I'm very happy with whatever I shopped, whatever I've used so far. And the other two palettes, I'll be using it in some other makeup tutorials, so yep, stay tuned for that. And of course, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.